Can we reduce stress in the body in under 15 minutes? This is a simple, effective stretch series designed to reduce tension in the body. Just come along with me. I'll guide you through each stretch. And the main thing I want you to remember is to focus on your breath. Let's get started. We're going to start lying on our backs, and the arms are out to the side, head is relaxed. And we're simply going to let the legs fall to one side. We're going to be in this stretch for about 45 seconds. And the way that we make this stretch more effective is to breathe deeply through it. So stay where you are and start to deepen your breath so that you're hearing the sound of your breath. And maybe it's even quieting the sound of some of the racing thoughts that we have when we're under stress or under tension. Continue to find your breath and just experience the stretch. Coming to the center, we're going to take it to the other side. So the legs have fallen to the opposite side. And you're trying to simply breathe slowly. And this kind of breathing doesn't happen naturally, because naturally we can breathe without thinking about it. And that's a good thing. But now we're trying to slow our breath, giving our brains and our bodies an opportunity to slow down, to relax, to stretch. We're coming back to center, and we're going to do one more of these reclining twists. We're going to cross the right leg over the left. The legs come up, and then you let those legs fall to the side. If this is too much for you, uncross the legs. So now we're in this stretch. Can you breathe in it? Can you let your opposite shoulder fall? And can you drive the breath through the body? Slowly come back up, uncross. Notice how good that feels already. Cross the other one over. The legs come up a bit and they fall to the opposite side. Now, if this is too much for you, uncross the legs. Find your breath. Deepen your breath. Drive the breath to where you might need it. Slowly come back to the center. Extend your right leg. Lace your hands around the thigh. Gently pull the leg in. Relax the foot. Deepen the breath. The goal is to breathe deeply with your body in a stretch, to relax the body and quiet the mind. Keep your leg going towards your chest. One more deep breath. Release. Notice the difference already between the two sides. Extend the opposite leg. Lace your hands around. Gently pull it in. So we're here for 45 seconds. There's no need to rush. Simply breathe. Soften the jaw. Relax the shoulders. Drive the breath through the body. Slowly bring that down. Notice the difference in the legs. We're going to bring ourselves up to a seated position, and we're going to get the legs long in front of us. Now, if this is too much on the back of your legs, you can place some padding underneath your knees. We're working on sitting up tall, and we're going to bring the hands to the sides. From here, we're going to flex the feet and point the feet. Now, if you need to round over a little bit, that's all right, but see if you can stay straight up. What we're trying to have happen is to get some heat, to get some space, to get some movement in the ankles and the calves. From here, we're going to bend the left leg. So the left leg is bent and the right leg is straight. We're going to take our left arm to the inside of our left leg. We're going to gently twist away from that leg. Push arm into leg. Push leg into arm. Lift chest. Find your breath. One more deep, full breath, and then slowly bring that down. Opposite leg. So you bend the leg in and you give yourself enough space that you can get your arm to the inside of the leg. Push arm against leg, push leg against arm. Rotate rib cage around. Lift chest. Deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Find your length. Find your breath. Let the tension leave the body. One more like that, and then slowly come back to the center. We're going to come onto our belly, and we're going to put our elbows down on the floor. So we look like this. The feet are relaxed. The elbows are underneath the shoulders. Push your hips just a little bit into the floor so you feel a stretch in your back and the front of the legs. Relax the feet. Deep breath, inhale and exhale. One more like that. From here, we're going to take it a little bit deeper, but if that's what we're doing is too much, you can stay down, forearms on the floor. Hands are beneath the shoulders, fingers are slightly turned out, and bring yourself up into a back extension. If this is too much, come back on your elbows. Find your breath. Keep it simple. Drive the chest forward a little bit. Push the hands down into the floor, and then slowly bring yourself back up to all fours. We're going to lie back down on our back. We're going to bring the arms out to the side like we did before. We're going to allow the legs to fall to one side. We're back from where we started, right? We're back in this twisted position, but it's a different experience. We don't need to do a zillion different stretches, a zillion different things to relax and breathe. We simply need to do a few things well that feel good on our body. Let's go to the other side. We're going to pivot, allow your hip to come up. Now let's go back to that deep breath. And notice how the second time we go through this is different, perhaps better than the first. Muscles are warm, mind is relaxed, breath is deeper. Now we're going to go back to the deeper twist. We're going to cross one leg over the other, and the legs are going to come up. We're going to allow the legs to go to the side. Now, breathe. It's still a deep twist. It's still a deep stretch. But is it smoother, more beneficial, feeling better than it did before? We just need a few simple movements to get the tension out of the body. And we need the willingness to show up for ourselves for a few minutes a day to take care of ourselves. We're going to uncross and get the other side. So the opposite leg is over, the legs come up. We take it over to the opposite side. Notice the sides might be different and let that be okay. Deep breath, inhale and exhale. Feeling the tension leaving the body. Slowly come back up. Last stretch. Feet together, let your knees fall open. Have your hands on your hips. Let the legs relax and go back to the breath. Let your breath be audible, louder than your thoughts. We're going to inhale for a count of 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to exhale for a count of 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1 more. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue simple breathing. Have your feet flat on the floor. Notice how you feel. Are you more relaxed, calmer, more focused than a few moments ago? Roll over to the side and bring yourself up into any seated position. Keep this feeling of calm focus with you. Thank you for sharing your practice with me and for taking this time for yourself.